The use of a ramp, which has a steeper angle, increases the speed of the ball so that the rate at which the ball covers the distance will be faster than that of the flat surface. Speed being the rate at which an object covers distance. Increasing the height of the ramp makes the ball go faster since at a steeper angle it will have more potential energy. Between the higher elevated section of the ball's path and the beginning of the ramp, there is a change in altitude, which means the ball will be free falling from one platform to the other combined with the force that was exerted upon the ball by the swinging bottle. Newton's first law states that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an outside force. In the case of the ball was at rest until the force of the swinging bottle hit it, which made the ball roll down the ramp. In the case of the dominoes were also at rest until the ball hit one of them, which made them fall. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So in the case of the stationary ball supported by the Jenga blocks below it, the dominoes that hit the blocks made them tip over because the force of the dominoes was greater than the stability of that of the freestanding Jenga blocks. When the blocks are tipped over, the heavier yellow ball starts rolling, and the force at which the ball is rolling is then transferred equally onto the block, holding the trash can open through the elasticity of the rope. So since the force of the ball is greater than that of the block, it is pulled in the opposite direction, closing down the trash can.
For energy transformations, I had the energy which transferred into the water bottle. Then the water bottle would carry that energy until it made contact with the ball, which would transfer all that energy into the ball and propel it forward, which would then hit the dominoes, and then that would also set off a chain reaction of energy hitting everything down and knocking everything over because of the energy transformation. In our project, we had two simple machines. We had the pendulum, which had the water bottle swinging, and then we had the ramp, which would have our ball accelerate and use that momentum to create more of a forceful impact. Now for sound and waves, the sound waves were transmitted through the water bottle and the tennis ball straight through the domino pieces, and when they transferred their vibrations and their sound and it transferred over to the ball that held on to the other Jenga piece that knocked it off and closed the trash can emitted a sound.
Yes. Yeah!